Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn Ice Maker and the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and convenient features, but which one is truly the best? In this video, we will explore their specifications, user experiences, and help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the Silonn Ice Maker is priced at $109, while the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker is more budget-friendly at $69. If you're looking for a more economical option, the SMUG model might be the better choice for you. However, the Silonn offers additional features that may justify its higher price for some users. Both the Silonn and SMUG ice makers produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes and have a daily production capacity of around 26 pounds. This makes both machines equally efficient in terms of ice production, ensuring you have a steady supply of ice for your drinks, parties, or gatherings. In terms of features, the Silonn Ice Maker boasts a self-cleaning function, making maintenance easier for users. On the other hand, the SMUG model is designed with portability in mind, featuring a handle for easy transport. Both machines offer 2 sizes of bullet ice, catering to different preferences. Depending on your needs, one of these features may stand out more than the other. In conclusion, both the Silonn and SMUG ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Silonn offers a larger water tank and a self-cleaning feature, while the SMUG is more affordable and portable. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.